About 5 memory card or so. Yo, I'm not bad looking, I swear. I can't go on. I can't go on. So I'm actually here waiting to go to Bwoy for a beach cleanup. But I've never done this thing before. Let me see what the beach is. See how dirty it is. I know I wanted to do one, but really it's more than likely it's like an underwater type of vibe.
This is where I came and scouted. I
step out a while ago and the Jeep just moved a while ago. Alright for the beach cleanup. Vibe, vibe. Probably find a bag of, in plastic something there. Latex. Never do want to say it was a load.
yeah. I would say.
How don't you stay?
Down there have plastic. As we go closer to the beach, it should be fine. Alright guys, so in this perilous time where COVID is both taking away jobs and killing people, literally, I've been noticing that there's an opportunity arising where we have a lot of dirty beaches, plastic all over, and you have places that are buying back the plastic. So I really wanted to connect the dots and show people that you can make money on your own time, in your own, it's not a lot, but the more you do it, it's in your favor. And like you can turn plastic into, or you can turn trash, because this is basically trash, to treasure by picking up, and then when you get the money, you can figure out something that will appreciate over time, like investing in the stock market. And that's really what I wanted to do today. I feel like understanding that your money loses value with inflation is important, but I feel like realizing that you can raise capital from your own efforts is something huge that we shouldn't sleep on, we shouldn't discount, we shouldn't make it seem like it's never possible, There are redemption centers all over, and currently I work with Jamaica Recycles, but there's also recycling partner Jamaica, who's pretty good. So we're out here, we're gonna pick up as much as we can. I want to show you how much we can get based on the time that we spent. I want to show you that it's proportionate to your efforts. And right now, for me, this might be a hobby, but who knows? This has potential. This has a real potential, and we can all benefit from cleaning up Jamaica. Okay. Why is it so hard? Find one as my step.
Just start from up here, sir?
Yeah, I'm going to pick up whatever we keep.
Alright, I'll help.
So these should be fine. Yeah. HDPE. These should be fine. But bottles that are not clear, or bottles that are green in the same bag, bottles that are clear, like this, in the same bag. Alright. If you want, you can just pile them together. You might just get one hand out of it because it's going to sound out okay.
It's uncomfortable. Pedro have smaller hands. What size is it?
Hmm?
What size is it?
It's about 9.
Medium.
Or size that put on, try put on. Small.
No, try put on medium. Not too big.
Different brand.
Oh, the same brand.
No, different brand.
The same scotch brand.
It's different brand.
This may try put on.
A different brand.
I'm sure your hand can't fit in this.
This has moved still.
Alright, I guess I'll just use one hand.
You have one hand. Yeah, so one hand will hold the bag.
So you use one glove?
You can. If you can put the 2 gloves on your hand.
Pull to me. Oh, I say it's at home. Oh, that's the side. Oh. So this can go in it like this?
No.
No.
Well, we can set up a bag just for that. We'll set up a bag just for our garbage. Or our food. Then head down to the beach. We'll find out who. Nice. Yeah.
Yo, I'm hot. Yo, imagine so what's right here, so? And not so much garbage right here, so alone. Alright, that's over there, you know? Would you reach on the beach yet? And so much garbage right here, so. Wow. Beach dirty bad, like really bad. We just legit just walk come from off of the beach. So the plastic bag here, man dirty, so
That's fine.
so you can take up on them plastic bag here. Gloves in this. Beach hat.
Yeah.
What?
So I'm making sure I catch up my hair are gloves.
Yeah.
And a garbage bag. Yeah. That's it.
Yeah.
And some water probably in this.
Yeah.
That's your water?
Yeah, that's
okay. And water.
And the done already. Yo. This beach cleanup thing is a serious thing. Alright. We have to do pretty good. We have to do pretty good. What you say?
I think we reached 10 bags and we're going to do one more bag and then call it a day. I might come back out personally a little later, but yeah.
Alright. Protect the earth. Surprised if you come up on a busy day. Surprised if you come up on a busy day like this.
Well, if you don't do good things, there will be no going outside to do other things.
Even this time I'm playing it smart. I'm gonna walk out away from love.
The iPad.
Before love breaks my heart.
Canada iPad.
They say we have all the vibes.
Yeah.
Because they don't know the other thing at stake. Because it's crazy, bro.
Move it to the car, determine what can fit in the car. We probably need to tie them.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like, if you want, what you want, like, small up probably some of the bags they can tie. You can do that.
Small up the corners.
Yeah.
You know, that's what I've been doing with the others. And we tie them, carry it to the car. Well, take a picture with it together first and then carry it to the car. And after that, see what can fit, what don't fit, I come back for it.
I feel Tony, TT.
Like maybe 60, maybe 65. Hopefully I'm wrong, hopefully it's more.
I'd say 45 to anywhere between 45 to 60. Because you say one small bag is 10 and this feel like a little under 10 pound worth of weight.
Yeah.
So
It's 70 pounds in total.
Alright,
Total?
so I heard 70
Oh, yeah,
or
there's more
40,
than these.
yeah, in total.
So 70, 72.
68. Alright,
I think 70.
alright, let's see when we get there.
feel like so many reds.
Pick up the bags. Kobe's a good boy. Kobe got the bag. Please delete that video. Please, yo, delete that video, bro. You make a channel and monetize it. Like, report the video. You know? If you post that part, I'm going to report the video.
What business? You can't tell me that. Alright, so hold on, Brandon, do a final take. So what were you thinking about today?
Today was awesome. We were outside doing something good with our time, trying to pick up as much plastic as possible, and also to show that the plastic can turn into money, and just spread the positive vibes of what that can be. Like, you can take your time, and if you're out of a job, you can make something. If you have a car, you can make something out of it. There's things to get done, to be done, and you can turn it from trash to treasure.
That was it. Actually, I'm tired. So hear me say, I'll see you guys in another video. I don't know when, I don't know where, but I'll see you.